Okay, kitties, if I give you free Robux, you guys will be quiet, okay? Sounds
Uh,
like a deal?
hello?
Oh, quiet, be quiet. You're gonna get attention.
Hello?
Hello, sir. What would you need today?
Hello, yeah, I need to charge my iPhone 5 3G wireless plus. It needs charging. It's running low.
Okay, so hand it over. That would be $30.
Alright, here's the money to charge my phone.
All right, let me charge it. All right, one, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I think it's $30.
Yeah, yeah.
Alright, give me a second, sir. I'll fix your phone very good, okay?
Okay, thank you. Huh? What?
Uh-oh.
Uh, uh.
Sir, looks like I broke your screen, sir. That'll be $100, sir, for the fix.
You, you, you broke my phone to charge it?
Uh, by accident, sir. Sir, please. No, sir. Sir, please, please, please. No, sir. No,
Ah!
please.